Alright guys, now that we got some fresh 93 and scrappy, let's get a nice pop for you guys of the 2007 Hawkeye STI. Oh, it sounds so nice with the Q300 and the catless downpipe. It's like the perfect combination for that Subaru rumble. Alright guys, let me roll up the windows here. If you guys have been following along on the channel, we did recently, we grabbed this baby. It is a 2007 black Hawkeye STI, and she is sitting at now currently 120,460 OG miles, original motor, guys. We bought the car, it was completely bone stock, and if you guys want to check back on some of the videos, we did, kind of just refresh the car a little bit. We found a little leak, exhaust leak, so we went ahead and we just added a full exhaust, and we did put a nice fresh turbo on there. So if you guys want to go check out those videos, go right ahead. But we did get the car tuned by the Subaru shop, by J Perry down there, so shout out to them. The car runs absolutely amazing right now for a nice basic setup, just so really enjoy the raw feeling of the older style STI. So let's jump into the POV, guys. I absolutely love the way these RPMs are set up, man. Like, so much better. And actually in the 07, the tranny is actually ratioed out a little bit different, second, third, and fourth gear, and you can just tell. But man, it rides so smooth. Everything works, guys, by the way. It's a super clean car that we picked up. Intercooler sprayer works. We'll show you guys that more later on into the video. Makes the cool noise, and you can actually see the water spraying. Oh, it sounds so nice. So nice. Cars feel like so much more like just so much more nimble. It's hard to explain, but especially compared to the VA chassis. Alright guys, we're merging onto the highway here. The car does make about 300 wheel, a little bit over 300 torque, about 317 torque, so second gear. And we are going up right now, so that was just a little pull. Feels great. Woo! She picks up, man. Oh yeah, that feels awesome. Car's running super healthy. That feels awesome. And we didn't even ring it out. All the noises, all those EJ noises, perfect sounds. Such a nimble car. Guys, so fast forward to the next day. I did want to just get some nice fresh plugs in the car. Me and my boy Matt, we did that up real quick, put some nice one-step coulter plugs in the car since the car hit the dyno and stuff like that. So I wanted to put some nice fresh plugs. We did that. I did notice while doing the plugs, guys, we're gonna do new motor mounts, because I mean the car runs absolutely fine. We have all the cylinders up on the access port right now. The plugs we're done perfectly. Everything feels awesome. But when we're at idle, I just feel a little bit more like rougher on the butt, like the car a little bit rougher. The car shaking a little bit more. I definitely think it's motor mounts, so we're gonna replace that next. But man, this thing feels absolutely amazing right now. Absolutely amazing. The GD chassis is just, it's such a nice classic STI. It really is. This exhaust setup is like the perfect setup. Video catless downpipe with the Q300. Sounds so good. See, like literally zeros across the board. Just keeping an eye on it. Sounds awesome. Woo! So yeah, guys, those of you, you know, who haven't followed the channel, let me roll up the windows. I love this interior. This is literally my favorite interior. The suede is so nice. Yeah, this exhaust is like perfect. Even for me to talk, I don't gotta like scream obnoxiously. But yeah, guys, for those of you, you know, who haven't followed the channel and just checking out the build, this is 2007 Hawkeye STI. We got it, you know, not too long ago. Completely bone stock, guys. The car was never modified. It's got 120K original miles. It was a nice snag. Underneath is, you know, pretty clean, man, for a New England car. Nothing crazy. We do have a little bit of rust on this passenger side fender, but other than that, that just needs to get replaced. Underneath the car is super clean. The car is beautiful. 120K, guys, unmolested. So we went ahead and we wanted to, you know, do a little bit of mods, put it on the dyno for the first time ever, being an 07 STI. And we did notice it had a leak. So if you guys want to check out some of the videos, we did, you know, throw a new turbo on. We got a nice full exhaust setup on there. We got a nice tune now, dyno tune, by the man himself, Jay Perry. So this thing's running smooth, guys. Super smooth. Sounds so good. This thing's moving, man. Holy shit. This thing's so light, you can just feel it, like, just want to pick up. Oh my gosh. Nice. Like I said, guys, mint condition, man. I can't believe the deal we got. Nice snag. All the buttons are there. The intercooler sprayer, the auto leveling headlights. We got big plans coming for this car, guys. Stay tuned to the channel. This car is definitely gonna need some suspension. I want to do something with the wheels, and we're definitely gonna start, you know, focus on a nice motor build, guys. Getting some big power downs on this Hawkeye. Let's take this corner a little shop here. There it is. There it is. Woo! Nice. Oh my gosh, so much fun. This thing is so nimble, guys. And I don't even have suspension. This is stock suspension on this thing. I mean, for granted, this All 4 struts, towers got replaced by Subaru at 90K. We're only at 120. Original motor too, I'm pretty sure I said that, but it runs so nice. Like, even that just felt so nice. I can't wait to lower this thing, guys, get some sway bars. This thing is gonna feel like a track monster. Oh my gosh. All right, we just had to stop and grab some pizza. That guy's flying. But we got some pizza. Yeah, we're definitely gonna make a video, guys, on STI Group N motor mounts. Gonna do some new shifter bushings, so stay tuned to the channel, because now at this idle I can feel it and it's pissing me off, so we gotta fix that next. Sounds so good. Just enough burps, pops. The rumble's there. Oh yeah. Q300 really just opens up. Sounds nice and subtle in the lower RPM range, and once you get up there, it just really opens up. And this car, man, it picks up. It's crazy driving Scooby, the VA, at 400 wheel. Like, that feels nice. And then I hop into this thing, and this thing feels nice too. Feels great. Had to mess with him a little bit. He thought he can move. He thought he can move. Plugs are good. Plugs are good. Oh yeah. Let's go, guys. It's such a good feeling working on the car, doing things yourself, going ahead and driving it, and things are just running good, running smooth. I mean, these cars are rabbit holes, guys. You know, obviously they're, especially the older ones, you do something to it, you just want to do more, or either something else comes up while you're in the process of it. Like this, I just went to go do some simple spark plugs, and I'm definitely noticing, you know, the motor mounts are starting to let go. At 120K, it's definitely time, so that's definitely gonna be the next mod with some shifter bushings for sure. Get this thing feeling exactly the way I want it to. Then we can start tying in some suspension, working in on the suspension, getting ready for some more power. But yeah, this thing feels great. At 300 wheel, a little bit like 320 torque. This thing feels awesome. Thing picks up, that's for sure. Did do, guys, you know, a little bit of interior stuff. We're gonna dip into it some more, but we got the JDM button. I had to grab that right away. we did get some new OEM mats. We do have the old school OEM blue ones still in decent shape in the trunk, but I want to get, you know, a nice suede shift boot with the e-brake boot. But man, I'm enjoying this car, guys, so much. I can't wait to build this motor. I'm giving up on this motor, but this motor is holding up well, guys. 120K. She just hit the dyno literally not too long ago. We're gonna do a nice fresh oil change, but it feels absolutely awesome. Absolutely awesome. The RPM setup on the GDs are beautiful compared to the V8 chassis. Such a nice raw feeling, raw experience. Alright guys, let's end the video here. Woo! Alright guys, if you're liking all the content, you're liking the channel, smash that like button, show us all the love, do it all up. I love these Subies. Subi fam out, baby.